set includes the iconic NES control deck and a retro-style TV that revolutionizes classic 8-bit graphics. Everything will instantly feel familiar to NES fans. From plugging in your controller to loading your favorite game cartridge. And when you're done building, jump into the action on a level of the original Super Mario Bros. Speaking of Mario, this guy always has a trick up his sleeve. And LEGO Mario from the LEGO Super Mario Starter Course is no different. Just put him on top of the TV and start cranking to truly bring the LEGO NES to life. Now you're playing with...
L2 OVERDRIVE. L2 OVERDRIVE.